Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is double click. Double click is used when an action is triggered only on double click. Items open or expand on double click. Applications rely on desktop like behavior. Selenium's normal click method performs only a single click. To perform a double click, Selenium provides double click through the actions class, which simulates real mouse behavior. This is common in file managers, admin panels, tables and grids, and enterprise web applications. Here in the sample script, I am locating the element. This element responds only to double click here. Single click will not trigger the actions. Now I am using actions class to perform double click. The expected action is triggered when I perform the double click. So I will try to run, then you will have better understanding. First, login page is loaded. Username, email, password is entered. So if you see, double click has worked. If you see, it has selected this text. So double click executed successfully. So let me recap again. Double click simulates real user interaction. Use double click only when UI explicitly requires it. Actions class is designed for complex mouse behavior. So here in the sample script, as you have seen, this has been selected. Why it has been selected? Because I have double clicked using the actions class. So I will close the application now. This is how you use double click.